Is that good, Liberace? He's been around here for about 6 years that we know of, feeding off of mice and whatever he could catch. And then we started feeding him a little bit here and there. And somebody else dropped a feral cat off. Beautiful, beautiful feral cat, Coco. And Coco started coming around eating, well, about a year before that. Liberace, this kitty, Liberace, had injured our cat to the point we thought we were going to have to put him down. And he had to have 2 surgeries. I hear sirens. A horrible injury. Cost us $800, almost $900. So our cat Max is afraid of him. And then some idiot woman thought it would be nice to drop a cat over here. Her husband lives here in this area. Her ex-husband. So she brings this cat over. And it kept fighting with Liberace. Anyway, they had an epic fight one time. I mean, just horrible fight. And Coco ended up dead. He really tore into Coco, but what happened is it injured Liberace's foot, his upper left leg. So he can't catch mice or anything to feed himself. So he relies 100% on our feeding him. Wow, this is the biggest storm we've had in, I'd say, decades. Well, actually, we had a pretty big storm 2 years ago, but it was at night. Hello, hummingbird.